feel like you need to make a decision. Should you stay or should you go? So let's take a look. It's offering up a second chance there. You're wondering whether you should give your person a second chance, whether you should stay and try and make it work, or whether you should move on. Let's see why. Okay, so this is probably because your person's a little bit closed off at the moment. Bit guarded, closed off, shut down emotionally, and you really don't know where you stand with it. It feels that it could be connected to something that happened in May, and it's also showing here we're going to have a lot of change in the next month. It could be that you kind of feel like you haven't got stability or security within this connection, and so one part of you is feeling like you need to run away because that person feels like they've run away, and the other part of you wants to stay and heal this and move forward together. So there's a broken heart on there, and it's showing that this is hurting you, it's upsetting you, it's difficult. Your person might be a little bit toxic, a little bit kind of abusive. I know that's a strong word, but I mean it in a way where they're kind of abusing your love, your energy, your time, your trust. And so, yeah, there's a lot of kind of concern here. Am I doing the right thing? What should I do? It does show here that there's been thought going into this. So, you know, writing down the reasons to stay, writing down the reasons to go. This person is consistently sabotaging the situation. I feel like they always kind of mess up the good things in their life, but that in turn is hurting you. Now, you feel like this person is your soulmate, twin flame, soul connection, soul tie, whatever you want to name it. And so because the connection feels like that, you don't know what to do. You want to stick around, you want it to work. However, this person isn't kind of bringing their 50% to the situation. So it's just showing here you can have a new beginning if that's the path that you choose. You've learned quite a lot. It's showing there learning and expansion. So you've learned from this person, and you're ready for a new phase, or you're ready for a new phase of this relationship with this person. So I think, you know, you've repeated plenty of patterns with this person, but this person might still be repeating things. It is showing divine masculine energy there. So whether it's female or male, this is an important person in your life. So they showed May earlier and they're showing June there. So maybe those 2 months were particularly difficult, or just have connections to birthdays or when you met, or something that would kind of resonate with you. This person's kind of asking for space, or maybe not even asking, forcing space between you both. And I think that the reason for that is because they're not really sure how they feel. And it just shows they have selfish tendencies as well. So maybe putting themselves first, not thinking about your feelings and emotions or what you might need from this situation. Let's take a look at the tarot and see if we can get some more information on what you should do here. Yeah, see, it's just showing there that you're tired, you're drained of it, it's wearing you down, you need something back from this person. This person has feelings for you. You know, you're not going crazy. This person has feelings of love for you, but they're not that good at maybe expressing them. Shows here, this is what they think of you. So maybe they feel that you don't need that expression. So, you know, if you've kind of been carrying on and acting like everything's okay, this person's maybe become complacent and feels as though you don't need that reassurance and you don't need that effort. So if you're going to stay, you need a brand new beginning with this person. I do feel like this person will continue to go up and down, and I think it's something that you'll have to work on as a couple, but you know, that we can handle so long as they're doing the right thing part of the time, and you can work on it together, because you definitely have a connection here. It might be from the past, it might just be feeling familiar, you might have known them a very long time and now you're getting the opportunity to be together. So I don't doubt that there are feelings here and that you could stay and make this work, but if your person's being stubborn, or if your person, you know, it's kind of their way or no way, you might have to think about this. And it shows that, you know, you're a bit worried about that already. So take your time in making this decision. There is an opportunity of something brand new ahead. But if you want to stick with it and try and make it work, this person loves you and cares about you. But just make sure you think it through before you move.